In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Romwe 2025 step by step. First, open the Romwe app or head to romwe.com. Before you start browsing, go to login or sign up. You can register with an email or connect a Google or Facebook account. Signing in first ensures your cart, favorites, and any discounts are saved across devices, so nothing gets lost if you switch from phone to desktop. It also makes checkout much faster later on. Now, start shopping. Use the search bar for something specific or browse categories to explore new arrivals and deals. When you find an item you like, open the product page and choose your size, color, and quantity. Take a moment to read the size chart and check customer reviews, especially ones with photos. Sizing can run small on some styles, so comparing measurements and real-life photos is the best way to avoid returns and get a great fit the first time. When you're ready, tap Add to Bag, then open your cart. Review everything at a glance. From here, you can edit sizes or quantities, remove items you've changed your mind about, and apply any promo codes you have. Keep an eye on the subtotal to see how discounts affect your total. If a code isn't working, double-check spelling and eligibility details. Proceed to checkout from your cart and confirm the items look correct. Next, add or select your shipping address. Make sure your full name, phone number, and complete address are accurate and formatted clearly. If you have an apartment or suite, include it so the carrier can deliver without delays. A clean, precise address helps prevent returned packages. Choose your shipping method. Standard shipping is more budget-friendly, but takes longer, while express shipping costs more and arrives sooner. You'll see an estimated delivery window before you pay, which can vary by location and item availability. Pick your payment method. Romwe typically accepts major credit and debit cards, PayPal, and some local options depending on your country. Enter your payment details carefully and confirm. If your bank requires verification, follow the prompts to complete secure authentication. Before placing the order, review your summary, items, sizes, colors, discounts, shipping fees, and the final total. When everything looks right, select Place Order or Pay Now. You'll receive an email confirmation